January, but I got some 50 and 60 degree days, so I'm lucky to be fishing. But the real reason for this video is because I've got my mystery tackle box. Alright, hi, welcome back to the channel. We got some nice days here in January, so I thought I'd come out and see if we could catch a little bit of fish. But anyways, this video is going to be our mystery tackle box elite. So here's our elite box for January. Take a look at it. We got bait card, and let's take a look at the first stuff to come out of it. Alright, so Bagley flat balsa there. So it retails for $10.99. All right, Bagley flat balsa right there. Comes in a ½ ounce. Dang, dude, man, I could have thrown that earlier today. That's what I should have been doing. God, that'd have been awesome. It's an awesome winter bait, man. I like that. Next thing is the Jinko Fishing CD2 square bill crankbait. It goes for $9.99. This guy right here. Citrus shad color. It's a nice color. Sometimes I wonder if my GoPro just doesn't like shine this color like it should, man. Gosh, that looks good. Alright. It retailed for $9.99. Dobbins D-Blade Advantage spinnerbait. So white colored spinnerbait for $5.99. That's the Dobbins spinnerbait, and it's in a 3/8 ounce white spinnerbait. The blades on it are white. Looks like number 4 willow leaves. Good sized. Next thing we got is a Lunker City Freaky Fish for $4.99. Let's see, that's a little bit better. Man, it's a beautiful day. It's just windy. It's 50 something degrees out. January in Missouri, man. It's just windy, man. We could have done a lot better today if it wasn't so windy. So, click flute. It's got a little purple in it. It's got a little purple and blue in it. That actually looks pretty cool. Man. When it would have cooperated, that would have been a... That one's $5.99. Into the crate it goes. Next one we got is the Z-Man Jerk Shads, and those are right here with Elastec. So this is all one package, okay? On the back of it is all the Elastec stuff, kind of like here, kind of like a little, you know, like a mini catalog of what they've got. I kind of how to rig them up. So this could be a jig trailer. It's a twitching shad, right? So you could Texas rig it weightless, throw it around like a fluke. Let me open it up for you. Alright, so obviously you gotta do, that one doesn't look very good. We gotta fix the tail on it. But it's Elastec technology, okay? Everybody knows Z-Man stuff, right? So it's Elastec. This is what it's gonna do, right? I've got a copper truce on my Ned rig right now for with my lifted jigs jig head. $4.49. Into the crate it goes. Next we got a Zoom Fat Albert right here. Zoom Fat Albert for $3.69. These guys. It's a better view of it right here. It's big tail curly tail grub. So right there. In the, I'll tell you what, man, I'm liking this box this month. Being serious, this is pretty cool. Into the crate it goes. Next we got a Cream Reel Screamer for $3.60, and it is right here. Right there. Right there. It's got a, boy, it's got a weird design on it. It's a good box. Where does it go? In the crate. Penetration hooks, F hook with keeper, $2.50. With all those soft plastics. So, fluke. It's a 4-aught. Got a couple things on the back of it. There you go. Hope you can see that good. It's got, okay. Pay attention to the eyelet. It's got like a keeper on the end of it. Kind of like a bait keeper. That's gonna go in the crate. Okay, last, most expensive bait in the box is the Weston Swim for $13.99. It is that guy right there. Just got caught with the hook right there. So I'm gonna throw this whole thing in the box so it doesn't blow away. Into the crate. Into the crate. That was a good box this month. Comment below what you liked. What was the favorite thing to come out of that? Hey, I really like it when you guys do your own mystery tackle boxes. If you guys do some, comment below because I'll definitely come by and check out your channel. Hey, like I say every single time, thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't need to be your favorite channel. I just want to be a channel you guys like to watch. So thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time.